Soothsayer Rui AI proposes a solution to revolutionize the way you navigate through vast amounts of video footage. Our solution begins by breaking down the footage videos in your dump into scenes using advanced AI scene detection algorithms. Once the scenes are identified, the system extracts individual clips and further breaks them down into individual frames. Now, these frames undergo a sophisticated AI model that processes them to generate captions, capturing the essence of each scene. These captions are then tokenized and vectorized before being stored in our vector database. Let's see it in action. Imagine you have footage of beautiful nature and wildlife. You input a simple query like animals. Here are some captions that were given to some of the frames and scenes within the video. The system takes your query, vectorizes it, and performs a similarity search within the vector database. The result: the system presents you with the top 10 scenes featuring animals, along with the corresponding durations, making your search hassle-free. The magic happens behind the scenes as our AI-powered system understands the context of your query, thanks to the rich captions associated with each scene. This allows for accurate and efficient results, saving you valuable time and effort. Our solution, driven by cutting-edge AI, not only simplifies the process, but also ensures that you find the exact scenes you're looking for with ease.